Yeah, hi Pratyusha.
Yeah, hi Sushmita.
So, shall we start the interview?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, okay. First, I'll start with Python.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Yeah, can you please differentiate double equal and is in Python?
Yeah, for sure. So double equals to and is
Uh,
in
can
Python.
you please on your camera?
Yeah, okay. Am I visible to you, Sushmita?
Yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah, please
Yeah,
carry.
okay. Yeah, okay. Double equals to is nothing but it is an operator. So it checks whether the value of two objects are same or not, and internally it calls the equation method, and it identifies the operator and checks the two objects like equal or not. That's it. And so that's it, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So, can you please tell me what is append and what is extend in Python?
Yeah, okay. Um, in Python, normally, append is an which is nothing but it adds the argument as an single, what we say, um, it adds the single element to an list, and extend is nothing but an adds element one by one from the another iterable. So example like it adds the container and extends adds the contents.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, can you please tell me what is filter, what is map, and what is
Yeah,
reduce
okay.
methods? What are those methods?
Yeah, okay. Filter is nothing but it is used to select elements which satisfies the conditions, and map is nothing but an um, it applies a function to every element in an iterable, and going with an reduce, it combines all elements into a single value like product, sum, and etc.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So, what is a recursion?
So recursion is nothing but it is a technique. So basically, what it does means which call itself to solve the problems. So that is a recursion.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So, can you please give me an example for the recursion?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
Can I write and show you,
yeah,
Sushmita?
yeah.
Yeah.
So, can you please share your screen?
Yeah, definitely, Sushmita.
Yeah, thank you. So in the meanwhile, you can tell me ternary operator in Python.
So actually, my laptop is not working. Can I write an example, Sushmita?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, leave it. You can write it in just notepad, okay. Why?
Yeah,
Because your
okay.
Chrome is not responding, no? So you can write it in
Yeah.
notepad.
So yeah, okay, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay, leave it.
So the time is wasting, right?
Yeah.
So can I tell the ternary operator
Yeah,
definition?
yeah, you can tell me what is ternary operator in Python.
So in Python, basically ternary operator is an which is used for writing one line conditional expressions. So it evaluates a condition and returns one value if true and another value is false. So that's it about ternary operator, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay.
So can I write right now?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, okay. So I'm printing the factorial of n. So I'm writing this code.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. First, basically, what it says means um, by using def factorial, it prints the number what I'm giving is 5. So it's factorial like so basically it have to print this type of factorial. So for that I'm giving directly like written n into factorial of n minus 1. So basically 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. After that it going to print that one value. After that it returns the one value by one value, it always prints. And after that it gives.
Hello. Hello. Pratyusha? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Yeah,
Yeah,
sorry.
Sushmita. Yeah, okay, it's okay.
Yeah, okay. Can you please explain me what is a default
So basically, um, default dict is nothing but it is an dictionary subclass that automatically assigns an default values when a key is accessed for the first time. That time the default dict will be used.
Okay. So what is an higher
Yeah.
order functions?
So it is an basically a function that takes an another function as an argument or returns a function. Example like map, filter, and reduce.
Okay. Now we'll move to
Yeah.
pandas and numpy.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
why we use pandas? What is the use of pandas?
So pandas is used basically for data analysis purposes, data manipulation for purposes, to work on the tables, to build in data frames. We use the pandas, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So how can you group the data?
So, by using df dot group by of departments like salaries or etc.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So how can you remove those duplicates?
So, using a function like df dot drop dot duplicates, we remove the duplicates, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay. Can you please define what is a vectorization in pandas?
So, vectorization. So, vectorization means it performing like operations without any loops.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So coming to NumPy, what is NumPy is used for?
So NumPy is used for the it is a numerical computations with multi-dimensional arrays.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is a broadcasting?
Broadcasting is nothing but an um, broadcasting. It allows operations on arrays of different shapes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are stacks? How to stack arrays? So what are the ways are
So
there to stack the arrays?
how to stack arrays is there is a keyword like np.vstack, hstack, like vertically, horizontally we can stack arrays, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay. So can
Yeah.
you explain what are the axes in NumPy?
So access in NumPy, axis is like a 0 and axis equals to 1. Axis is 0, which tells the to operate the column wise, and axis equals to 1, which defines the to operates the row wise.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So now I'll give some data so you
Yeah, okay.
can write a program on it.
Yeah, for sure, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay. In between that, how can you check the shape and dimensions of an array?
So to check the shape and dimensions of an array, there is an keywords like what we say. Um, Means to check the shape, there is an array dot shape of, and to check the dimensions, there is an array dot ndim.
Yeah, okay. So I
Hello.
have given the data in chat. So please see.
Yeah, okay.
So here I have given the data of an employee, the employee ID and the department of that employee and the salary of that employee. So what you have to do is,
Okay.
so find employees who earn more than the average salary of their department.
Yeah, okay, Sushmita.
Do you understand this?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, please carry on. Can you check the spelling of transport?
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So can you
Can I
please?
explain this?
Yeah, yeah, please.
So what you asked is this for this data I have to result the employee ID department salary in one thing. So importing pandas as PD df equals to pd dot data frame of in that one data frame what you are given is this data that have employee ID departments and salaries. Um, so first of all I'm taking is department averages equals to df dot group by I'm taking departments and salaries in one thing dot transform of mean by using mean these two have been combined and the result equals to df of salary greater than df of department average. So by this result I'm printing the both employee IDs departments and salaries. So in one thing there is an 1 2 3 4 there is an IT HRs and what it giving is highest salaries of an um, what we say um, everything will be comes likes this.
Okay. Yeah, okay, please.
Yeah.
Yeah. Enough. So can you please open your VS Code?
So yeah, for sure.
So how many projects you have done till now? What are the projects you have done?
So yeah. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Am I audible to you?
Hello Sushmita.
Am I audible to you? Hello?
Hello.
Am I audible? Hello?
Yeah, Sushmita.
Am I audible to you?
Somewhat stuck in your voice.
Yeah, okay. Now, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. What are the projects you have done?
So using RAG chatbot, we done an project, and so yeah, can I show you?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
So what is the use
So
of the
this is
RAG?
the project what we had.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, Sushmita.
So what is the RAG?
Hello.
Hello? Am I audible to you?
Hello.
Am I audible to you?
Hello.
Hello? Hello? Am I audible to you?
Can you please repeat it?
What is a RAG?
Hello, Sushmita.
Hello? Am I audible to you?
Yeah, Sushmita. Yeah, right now.
Yeah, okay. Can you please explain me what is a RAG?
So basically, what it does means when we give when the user gives large text like large PDFs or files to an rack, what it does means it separates like small chunks. It cuts like pieces, and after that it gives to an vector database. After that, what it does means after texting, text will be cutting into in small pieces. The embedding model, what can it do means it embeds the text and understands everything. After that, searches in the RAG chatbot. What it does means is there any previous chat or otherwise no. It takes and gives an output, like what we say, goes into an context. What it does means the context will be prepared and goes into a prompt argumentation. What we are given to the context will be goes into a prompt argumentation. And hello.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, please go ahead.
So am I audible to you, Sushmita?
Yeah, yeah, please continue.
So, first of all, there is in two things, that is data ingestion workflow and text generation workflow. Going with an data ingestion workflow, what it does means when the user gives documents that will large document. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, Sushmita.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So, what it does means when the user gives large documents, it converts into small chunks. After that, embedding model.
Hello?
Yeah, Sushmita. Hello.
Yeah,
Can I tell?
yeah, okay.
So after going into an embedding model, the chunks will be converted into vectors. Um, the vectors represents semantics meanings like not keywords. So what vector database will do means embedding will be stored in the vector database like files, pinecone, and etc. And in the text generation workflow, what it does means when we give an user input, like I'm giving like explain recursion in Python, the query embedding will be what it does means user input will be converted into embedding. And using the same embedding models, and then going to an semantic search, what it does means the query embedding is compared to the stored embeddings. And it checks the most relevant documents chunks are retrieved from the vector database or not, and after that goes into an context creation. That what it does means it creates the document chunks are combined or not, and it becomes like in context. After that it goes into a prompt argumentation. It builds the system prompt with the context what we are give context with the query question what we are given, and then going into an LLM. What it gives means what we are given prompt is sent to an LLM, and it generates the output to the what we say to the user in the front end.
Yeah, okay.
Hello.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's all from my side.
So yeah, Sushmita, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.